know them, you love them, or at least you've been forced to watch a few. The ever-growing and highly successful genre of romantic comedies. There's just something about that light-hearted humor and promised happy ending that so many find irresistible. Yes, all romantic comedies have different storylines, different settings, and of course, different actors. But at the end of the day, if you want to create your own Hollywood blockbuster, heartwarming romantic comedy, all you need to do is follow this simple recipe. The first thing you will need is a protagonist. This is the main person of the story, the one who needs a love connection whether they know it or not. For their intro scenes, they are shot by themselves and don't look and feel their best. Usually their surroundings, background, and unflattering outfits give hint to this. They're lonely, and this gives us the impression that they need more in life. The next ingredient needed for a romantic comedy is to have a scene where the two main characters / love interest meet. Often this meet is a bit rocky and the two don't gel at first.
Got you buffalo shrimp with the sauce on the side. They'll do that for me here. I didn't know how you took it.
Although the main characters don't see it now, everyone in the audience already knows these two are going to fall in love.
Very tight game going on up there. I don't want to miss it.
Where would a romantic comedy be without this next ingredient, the falling in love scene or montage? This is the scene where the characters begin to learn more about each other and begin to like each other. Usually there's playful teasing or flirting. The scenes are more brightly lit, and of course the music is more cheerful. One of the most important ingredients is the drop scene, or the tragedy scene, or more simply put, the scene where everything goes wrong. All romantic comedies have a heartbreaking scene after the movie is halfway over, where either a lie is revealed, a huge argument has happened, or something from the past has come up. Their love is in jeopardy, which then leads to many shots of the characters dealing with their problems apart from each other. The last and final ingredient to making your classic romantic comedy is to have a grand big gesture scene. It's the ultimate I love you and I want everyone to know happily ever after. These scenes are usually in public for many random bystanders to watch and of course have the happiest of music to further convey what a happy time it is. Follow these basic steps and you've got yourself a future People's Choice Award winning movie.
When you are cold, need you, even let you hold the remote control. Yeah.